Kizzy, I think I found the perfect house for you. Close your eyes and imagine this. So after all of our conversations, I think this house checks off every single box we've discussed. It's got lake views, direct lake access, inland lake fishing, kayaking, jet skiing, even skiing on the back of your smaller boats. But yet you can get to Kelleys Island and Put-in-Bay in 15 minutes. I know boating's important to you, and this house not only comes with a dock, but it has a boat launch as well. I mean, you could buy a smaller boat and jet skis, and the awesome part about this area is that you're protected in the inland for the small crafts. So you can get out, you can kayak, you can fish, and you don't even have to worry about the northeast, northwest winds. Kizzy, I haven't even talked to you about the house. It's perfect for the family and the friends. It's 5 bedrooms, spacious, loft. I mean, everybody can come and hang out here. And if you want to stay year round, you can. Kizzy, wake up.
Why are you so wet?
Don't worry about it. Come on, let's see the house.